Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Technically Explained. You might have heard about screen recording softwares like OBS, Open Broadcaster Studio and ShareX for recording your screen. But you might have not heard about this fact that you can also record screen from the PowerPoint presentation, and then you can record the screen recording video into the PowerPoint presentation directly. How to do it? Now suppose I have something beneath my PowerPoint that I want to add it in the PowerPoint presentation. Suppose I have this PDF file that I want to explain and I want to add in a PowerPoint presentation. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to, as usual, I'm going to open my blank presentation, and then I'm going to change the layout to blank, and then I'm going to come to the insert tab, and by clicking on insert tab I will have this screen recording option appear. And when I click on this screen recording option, PowerPoint is going to get minimized and I will have these options appear on my screen. And these are the options that have appeared beneath the PowerPoint presentation. So if you want to record some PDF or anything else, you need to place it beneath your PowerPoint. So when the PowerPoint gets minimized, the PDF presentation is there. So first I need to select the area. I can select a part of the area and I can select the whole area. So let me select this area for explaining my PDF. So after selecting this area, I'm going to click on record option. When I click on record option, this is going to start recording, and now this is the PowerPoint is recording this video, which is acting as a screen recorder. And then when I go here, I can pause this, and then if I want to look at this, I can I can stop it over here and play it in the PowerPoint. Now this will automatically be added to the PowerPoint, as you can have a look. Now I can play it here, so I can play it. So that's how you can use the screen recorder in PowerPoint 2016. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained.